Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Caterpillar Junang. Also in this video, I would like to share or show to everyone that you can possibly, based on my experience and this actual experience, okay? I'm not an expert about in this process of doing the flash piling or flashing the engine ECM, okay? About what happened when I apply this plus pile to use our spare ECM engine ECM without cooling the technician. So I have done this because based on my experience I can use the other ECM to the other machine, from the other machine to the other machine once that machine was damaged or the ECM is damaged. So in this process I'm going to show for everyone, for all the technician or a company technician or a company electrician or a mechanic, that you can possibly use the ACM was installed from the other machine to install to the other machine. Okay, so in this video I would like to share that how, even the video or even my video is not clear, but you can use or attach the ECM for temporary for doing the installation. Okay, let's follow me this video and then we will show you how and what to do. But I'm sorry about the video is not totally clear, but we hope that everyone will follow or understand about my video. Okay, yeah, hello everyone. I am here now in the 345 machine. So as you can see the model, this machine is okay, everything is okay. Now what I have done, I have to do is I have an empty ECM. We ordered before. We prepare for the other machine, but we cannot install it because the ECM or engine control module, it is empty. As you can see, this is the engine of this machine and the serial number. Okay, so I fixed the ECM as we can see now. See, this is the new ECM. Okay. And then the other ECM is under of this new ECM. Okay, what I do, I didn't fix all the pipe of diesel, so what I wanted to just only to program this ECM, and also I will try to start after reflashing or installation of software. Okay, okay, I'm here at the top. Now in this video I would like to show on how and then what is the way how to install it. I didn't copy the old software because I have the software before. I already copied it, so it's already saved on the computer. But now I will make reflashing. Okay, just follow me in this video and then I will show you how and what to do. Okay, as you can see now I'm already prepared to fix this cable to the port of what we call port for data installation. Okay, this is the cable and this is the laptop. Okay, you know, this installation is look like easy, but you have to know and then the idea and way of installation. Okay, one, as you can see I open the parts, but just wait, I have to escape this what I was open before. Okay, now I'm here with the laptop. Okay, it's already open. Just wait, follow me again. I will install the cable. Okay, okay, as we can see right now, the adapter or the communication adapter, it is already empowered through the socket of the machine. See, it's already connected. And then what to do, I'm going to put the USB. Okay, this is the USB in here. And then after that, the purpose of this video, maybe anyone who knows what to do or how to do in this type of installation, this is just only I'd like to share, because this ECM I have right now, it is our spare. So I want this is to do this installation to keep the ECM is ready. I think based on the Caterpillar system, this type of procedure is not good. But based on my observation, if the machine is no any problem about the sensors, everything with attached to the engine, it is just okay, no problem. So what to do right now? I cannot see the screen. The screen is very dark. This installation is not easy, but I will try to do the best to give idea for all my followers. Okay, the screen is not showing clear. I have to cover up. Okay, now I like it okay. Just to keep all the ACM will work. So what to do? I'm going to the utility. Utility, and then Mail Plus. Okay, you just no need. I don't need to go copy or to copy the old one because I already removed. I'm just only need to give a gateway for the ACM and install the software. Okay, just a seconds. As you can see, it's automatically reading, and then you'll see what happened to the monitor. The monitor, okay, as you can see, load flash data. So now it seems the system is already preparing for flashing, so still the adapter is reading to open the flashing flash filing. Okay, now we will looking which one is blank. This is the blank, so you can see it is blank ACL. So what to do, because there's only the blank, I have to go in, I have to go on this place to search the Win Plus available. So I'm going to open. I in BHH. This was I make before. Luckily, one of my friends They keep some flash file of some machines, so I also copied in this laptop. I'm going to search, select 345. Okay, this is the plus file for 345, and then it's ready for what to do is begin plus filing. I'm sorry about this video. It's I'm here in outside, so as you can see, the percentage of is in progress. So in just a few minutes, well, everything is done. Slowly reaching a 3%, 4%. I'm sorry about this. So I don't know if anyone can follow this video because it's not clear too much, or it's not very clear.
Okay, 1 minute.
From roundabout right side. Number 113. Number 113 our gate. Mm. If they have WhatsApp, no problem. They can send the WhatsApp location. Yes. Okay, okay, no problem. That's best, that's best, yeah. That's the best, yes, no problem. Okay. Welcome. Bye bye. Okay, wait a second. Not finished. Talk, talk.
Hello?
Now it's already success. What to do? I'm going to start Win Plus.
No problem. Okay.
You can go to cut it.
Okay. Location regarding.
Kanon tikam sana na mabi malam location. Hada street malum, hada street Altamayos. Our street Altamayos. Baden number 113 our gate now 113.
And anytime, you, any have problem, okay, you have WhatsApp, I send location.
Yeah.
Simple. All this problem, location. Finish.
Ay wada taklo location kan mare.
Finish.
Now it's new ECM I pick.
Yeah. Installing.
Mm. Now I will start. See? Now as we can see, the engine is starting now. Before the ECM is blank, after wind flashing, the engine is run well. So what to do? I'm going to register because the serial number is not yet registered. Okay, don't forget Al Tamayos Street. And then if you call anyone, just open your GPS for your phone. Okay, open the GPS so they can trace up you. Where is your location? GPS in your phone, Gando. So I'm going to register the serial number.
Original ID की नहीं दे सकते TCS वाले RMX वाले जेड़े भी हैं ना या हबीबी अना सेंड लोकेशन खलास गल खत्म हो जाए या जब मेरे गल तो सारे लोकेशन छोड़ो उन्होंने आए थे ना ये सारी लोकेशन तां करके ते बैठे
So okay, that's all. So we will show you something after this. Okay, now when I get this system, so I can edit or change, but now I don't need to change to make the registration to configure or that meaning to say the ECM is programmed by which machine I want to install this ECM. Okay, so where I get this from service, okay, and then configuration. Select the configuration. Okay, see like that, and then ECM identification parameter. Okay, select rating and engine configuration parameter. If you want to do something in the engine, okay, okay, you can do anything from here. That's all I see. So if you need to change some setting on the engine, see, that's the setup. You make just double click everything if you want to open directly, like for example setting or engine configuration parameter, or that's all. I hope that this video, even it is not clear, I hope that someone can get the idea how to use the Caterpillar ET. Okay, see the ET. This is the communicator and ET. So you can see the ET there. This is the ET. Okay, and then uh, if you don't have prepared what we call by your own computer, so this is the best way. If you have any of your friend, they can give you a small favor by setting up the new ECM. So this is the way you can what we call the expenses will be less and to call the technician. Okay, sharing is caring. Thank you for watching.